Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will talk about how to hide or unhide row and column in Excel quickly and easily with the help of shortcut key and manually. So let's get started. So here we have a one data set, okay, and we want to hide this column. So just select this column and right click and hide. Okay. If you want to hide this column as well, just hide, right click and hide. And you can see the gap between two columns. So this is an indicator to know there is a hidden column between these columns E and I, E and G. Okay, and if you want to hide row, then select row this number. Suppose you want to hide two rows, then select two rows and right click and hide. So you can see the gap between 6 and 9. So this is an indicator to know there is a rows are hidden. So if you want to unhide these row and columns, so just select two columns here, B and D, and right click and unhide. Click on unhide. Okay, and similarly do right click and unhide and select these two columns here with the help of mouse and right click and unhide. Okay, and now let's come to the uh, shortcut keys. So just do it, hide it again. So to hide, just you know select this whole column. For selecting the whole column, just you need to do the control space bar. So in my previous video I have discussed about selecting the whole column in with the help of shortcut key. So you can watch that video. And this is a control plus space bar. Okay, so control space bar and go to menu button, just this. So let me just show you where is the menu button. So on the this this is the menu button. Basically you can see this. Okay, so this is opening that menu. So this button will be available in your keypad between the alt and control. So you can use that for quickly working on Excel. So select and right this menu button and H. So you can see there is a underline under the H. So this is called, there is a shortcut is H, and there is a uh, underline the U. So this is a shortcut key for that. So right this menu and hide. So it will be hidden, and select these um, two columns, one column, and then with the help of shift and right arrow, select these two columns and menu tab and U. So this is a unhidden. So similarly you can do it in rows, and try to use this on rows, and let me know if you are able to do or not, and comment me and let me know if it is working for you. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.